Nike Air Max 90 LV8 2025. This model's elegant color scheme is its most notable characteristic. The vivid lime green serves as a stunning addition to the neutral base color. Though it has a feeling of balance that blends in nicely with contemporary street style, the green on the tongue, eyestays, and surrounding the air unit is reminiscent of 90s retro-futurism. The whole effect is tightened by the olive green swoosh, which beautifully balances neon and earth tones. In order to upgrade the silhouette to one with a more noticeable presence, the sole unit is thicker as an LV8 specification while maintaining the volume that is exclusive to the Air Max 90. This small alteration elevates the whole look to a new degree of perfection, especially since bulky styles are now popular in the sneaker market. Since its creation, this Nike model has gained notoriety for its daring design that draws attention to the air that is visible and its astute use of color blocking.